Hello everyone. Today's topic is gymnosperm. Gymnosperm, words taken from the Greek language. Gymno means naked and sperma means seeds. Naked seeds present in the gymnospermic plant. These plants have no flower, no fruits, but have seeds, and which are open seeds, visible seeds. Where visible? In the form of cones. As the cones and the reproductive part, which may be strawberry, which may be cone. So today we will see which types of root, stem and leaves found in the gymnosperm and how reproduction takes place in the gymnospermic plant. Firstly, we will see the size of the gymnospermic plant. Size of the gymnospermic plant from the tallest to the medium size and also shrubs included in the gymnospermic plant. Tallest tree, giant redwood tree, sequoia, reach to the height up to 115.85 meters. Next is the cedrus, which have height up to 30 to 40 meters. Pinus tree reach to the height up to 15 to 45 meters and cycas for about 14 meters in height. Shrubs also included in the some shrubs, conifers plant comes under the gymnosperm. Gymnospermic roots. Which type of root system found in gymnosperm? Tap root system. Because gymnosperms are the group of the plants which are well differentiated, well developed root, stem and leaves found in the gymnospermic plants. In the taproot system, fungi form symbiotic association called mycorrhiza. Without mycorrhiza, without this fungal association, not possible of the germination of pinus seeds. Cyanobacteria provided nitrogen because cyanobacteria are nitrogen fixing bacteria, so fix the nitrogen in the roots of the gymnospermic plant from stem of the gymnosperm, branched and unbranched stem. In cycas, unbranched stem present. In pine and cedrus, branched stem found. Leaves are special features about the gymnospermic plants. Needle-like leaves. Sunken stomata found. Needle-like leaves and sunken stomata. Waxy cuticle, thick cuticle. Cuticles are the waxy covering and will be thick to reduce the water loss, and stomata are sunken type of stomata embedded in the epidermis layer. Needle-like leaves of gymnosperm well adapted to withstand extreme temperature, humidity and winds. Now come to the reproduction. Reproduction, how takes place? Male and female cones. Here is no flowers present, so cones present which contain spores. On the cones, sporophylls present. Cones made by the sporophylls. These are cones. These made by the spirally arranged sporophylls. Two types of cone, male cone and female cones formed. These cones may be on the same plant, may be on the different plants. Anywhere in the where present on may be present on the same plants or may be present on the different plants, separate plants. In case of pinus, male and female cones found on the same plants, and in case of cycas plant, male and female cones separated on two different plants. So these male and female cones made up of sporophylls, spirally arranged sporophyll, and sporophyll contain sporangia where spores present. Sporophyll contain sporangia where spores present. These spores are actually the seeds, ovules. Here, gymnosperms are heterosporous, means two types of spores. Male and female spores are of different types. Microspores will be male and megaspores will be female spores. Plants that produce haploid microspores and megaspores. Microspores will be male spores and megaspores will be female spores, and will be here haploid, means half set of chromosome. Haploid, microspores and megaspores. Reproduction takes place by the fusion of male gametophyte and female gametophyte. But how these male gametophyte and female gametophyte fuse together? Who helps? Wind help in the pollination of the male gametophyte to reach on the mouth of the female gametophyte. But how? Ovulate cone, which contain ovule, contain the megasporangium. Inside the megasporangium, megaspore mother cells divide meiotically. Meiosis process and form 4 megaspores, in which one megaspores developed enclosed within the megasporangium and developed into the female gametophyte or archegonia. These archegonia may be in number 2 or more number. This is about the development of female gametophyte. Now come to the male gametophyte, how develop. So pollen cone means male cone contain microsporangium. Same in the microsporangium, by the process of meiosis division, pollen grains develop. These pollen grains in the starting multiples in number, many numerous in number, but some are degenerated and some will be developed. And developed pollen grains contain wings-like structure and contain also generative and vegetative cell. Vegetative cell responsible for the pollen tube formation. When with the help of wind, this pollen grain reach to the mouth of the megasporangium, generative cell release their content into the archegonia or in the egg cell, female egg cell, and then fusion of the male and female gametes form the zygote, and this zygote becomes diploid in number and developed as the embryo, and this embryo developed as the seeds, and these seeds change into the mature sporophyte plant. So this is about the reproduction in the gymnospermic plant. So I hope you understand today's topic.